This
What part of his question was Kunu Rabbaniyeena.
read the verse and then I will explain.
ما كان لبشر أن يؤتيه الله الكتاب والحكم والنبوة ثم يقول للناس كونوا عبادا لي من دون الله ولكن كونوا ربانيين بما كنتم تعلمون الكتاب وبما كنتم تدرسون.
That's right. The word Rabbaniyin is explained by the same verse. Those people, the religious leaders of Israel, or I should say of the Jews, who were entrusted with the task of taking care of the book and also to teach the book to others. They were called Rabbaniyin. But the word Rabbaniyin has another connotation in which this word is used specifically by Jesus Christ. Rabbaniyin means those who are godly people. So godly people could never ask anybody to worship themselves or worship anybody else. So it's a very beautiful usage by Jesus Christ as referred to in this verse. He only said, Kuru Rabbaniyin. Don't take me as God. Belong to God. And also, it is essential for you because you teach His book and you are guardian of His book. So as such, it doesn't behoove you not to be godly people.